English or Portuguese?
English.
English.
Look at
Yo,
what I
what's,
got for today, this video.
yo, what's up, people? Look what Martin's got.
Let's see if we can pull
Yeah.
something good.
We were just there in Fnac. He got this binder right here, €3 discount, by the way. Yeah, it's got the God cards and stuff, I believe, right?
Yeah, the three got cards. Let's see if we got something good.
Yeah, let's see. We're gonna do a little unboxing here, okay? Let's see if there's some grails here, okay? Yeah. Let's see. Oh, you don't have a knife. Yeah, you're screwed.
Alright, take a shot.
There's a shop. Yeah, there's a shop. There's a shop. Alright, I'll pay. He's got the keys. Yeah. Konami approved. Yeah. That feeling when you peel it, okay?
Yeah.
That sound you make when you peel. Oh man.
Oh, shiny.
Yeah, shiny. Box is pretty cool.
Oh my
Whoa, it's in gold.
Oh my god, it's so cool.
Yeah,
Never opened one of these. Perfect.
yeah, it's pretty cool.
It's three.
Yeah, it's got, I believe it's got various cards from various packs and stuff, all in one pack, I guess.
No.
Yeah, you can use that for storage, I guess. Yeah.
Let's do it like
Yeah, it's only 3
let's do
packs.
like this. I do two and you do one. Alright?
Yeah, you activate my trap card.
Alright.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see what's he got.
Fresh content for my channel. Smell it, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta smell it for good luck.
I don't know what the order is for the rares, the secret, the holo files. So well, whatever. Let's see what we have.
I'm Dragon.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. I have Armed Dragon. Yeah, I have those. Yeah.
UNHOLY-OMEGA.
Yeah, AI is taking over, people.
Star Mine.
Okay.
Master of Diploma.
Yeah, Master Diploman. Oh, waifu.
It's a rare waifu.
It's a waifu card, people. Oh, it's a waifu.
Trap weeks. Oh,
It's a waifu. Trap me in your flowers.
Rocky finishing move.
Okay.
Kamen Rider move.
Yeah. Drop kick.
Dark Cooler. No more.
Dracula no more. Oh, I know that card. Yeah, Dracula no more. Yeah.
I don't know. Your
Yeah, it's decent.
Heritage of Light.
Yeah. Okay.
Incredible Eliza of Virtue.
Oh, okay. That's actually a dragon card. Yeah, I actually need to get that one.
Proof of Pharaoh.
Okay.
Snake card.
Yeah, that one is cool. It's a snake. Yeah. It's a Slytherin, people. Slytherin weak.
Zorua, the Mystic.
Oh yeah, Zeroa. Yeah. I think I have that card actually. I think I have.
And no more.
No more. Dracula no more. Yeah, nothing.
Very cool.
Nothing that great.
Let's see what this does.
Let's see if the second pack has more cards.
3 cards. Let's go.
Yeah, so that like you know, simply unlucky. Kaiba.
Wow.
Kaiba. Okay. Yeah.
Try this one.
Tournament legal. Okay.
Again, shift daily spell.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. A ship.
Bakugan ship is. Oh, estas cartas são sushis.
Yeah, the sushi archetype, man.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
Já saiu ali.
leave it to Konami.
Shinobi insect. Yes.
Okay, looks like Cider from Pokemon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Magaki unlocking.
Okay.
Oh, estes cartas.
Oh yeah, that's mythology based, I believe. I actually have to get that card in picture because I believe that's mythology based.
Armed Dragon.
Oh, I have that one. Yeah, I have it in holographic though. This one is in cam and I have it in holographic.
Psycho.
Yeah, okay.
Fabled cards.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, those cards are cool. The fabled cards. I actually have a lot of them. They're based on folklore, demons and stuff.
And there's a musician.
Yeah, okay.
And then Spring of the Far East.
Okay. That looks a little bit like that bleach fountain, that bleach waters in the Royal Palace.
Screams of the Bamboo.
Okay, that's a dragon card right there.
Ritual Hearts.
Yeah, okay. Oh, peacock. Okay. It's cool. It's holographic. It's holographic.
Danger, distribution, disorder. Oh my god!
Oh, it's
Oh my
danger.
god!
Look.
Oh my god!
Oh, wait.
No fucking way!
The ultimate playful. Oh, Ash Blossom and the
É bem raro.
spring. It's very rare, he says. Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, olha.
Oh, I'm Dragon Level 10. Yeah, I have that card. I have that card. So
Tens sleeves. Contigo.
I don't have sleeves with me. Sorry. I have the Iron Dragon.
Né? Essa é valiosa.
I don't know.
Depois tu vês.
I don't know the current price.
Depois tu vês quando fizeres o vídeo.
Yeah, I'll see when I go home and stuff. I'll go check it out at Card Market and stuff. There's one more pack, people, to open.
It's your turn.
The heart of the cards. Shit. My turn, vai falar me? Okay.
So grab over. No? Okay.
Yo, what's up, people? Now it's
It's his turn.
Open the cards. Yeah, actually, I haven't done this like in years. I don't do this in years. That's very,
Not me too.
very. Try not to rip it up. Yeah, I don't know if it's possible.
Come on.
I don't know if it's possible. Acho.
Faz o card trick. Acho que são 4 cartas.
Yeah, let's see.
Quanto é 4
Like,
cartas?
typically-
4 ou 5? Faz 5.
Typically they do this, like they do this and then
Yeah, para baixo. Faz 5 para baixo.
5 para baixo.
Yeah. Yeah. Agora começa assim. Não. Abre. Agora vira.
Yeah,
Agora,
mas-
não, agora vira assim.
Ok, mas
Yeah.
não é para ter o caipa.
Aquelas, as raras estão no fim. Deixa as raras no fim.
No, it's just to say caipa. Caipa.
Alright.
Okay, Galaxy Shooter, the something.
Ah, the
One of
sushi
the,
cards.
The,
The sushi cards.
the sushi cards, yeah. Cinet Cascade.
Yes.
Oh, Trickstar. Trickstar Festival. Oh, this one I have.
Nice.
Magic Beast Ancient Bolas. I have this card.
Whoa.
It's based on folklore, demons and stuff. I also have this card, Magic Dragon and the Rhyme. Of course I have it. It's a dragon, right? Yeah.
Oh, nice.
But people, I have it in holographic. Oh yeah, I have it in holographic, not in common. Fabricate Redempus.
Yes. Agora está a
Parametal Foils, Zortis, I don't know what archetype is this. This archetype I know, Sunal Valon Melias. I have some cards of this archetype which are based on mythology. I believe Nordic mythology. Bujin Cadence. This is of the Bujin archetype. I have
Your
almost all.
phone is trying to focus on your crotch.
Oh,
Dude, come on.
Iron Dragon Dead level 5. I have this
Oh,
card. Another, it's
evolutions.
another one, right? So repeat.
We have to do evolutions now.
Yeah.
It was right there. 2 evolutions.
Yeah. Fabled Mercosia, based on demonology. I don't think I have this one. I don't think I do. Oh,
Not mais perto da câmera.
Gunkan Sushi.
Oh, it's rare.
The sushi card.
The rare sushi.
Holographic, by the way.
The sushi card.
Oh, this one is cool. White Knights of the Dogmatic.
Oh, so cool.
Dogmatic archetype, yeah. Oh, I have this one as well. Gaia Armor Dragon Shell. I have this one. It's a dragon, of course I have it.
It's a rare.
Dimension Shifter. Okay.
Yes, that's a card.
Yeah.
Right?
Not focusing.
Ok,
Yes.
agora foi.
Ok. Evil Twins Double Sunny.
Esta é toda brilhante.
Yeah, it's all shiny.
Alright.
It's holographic.
Tem 4 pontos.
This is I believe this is
A Link Summon.
I believe this is parallel red, I don't know. Red is in red. Yeah. And finally Magic-E Maftia. This is the Magic-E archetype, which is based on demonology, I guess, as well. I think I have most of them, so
It's
yeah.
a nice pool.
Not that many cards, but yeah. There you go. Try focusing this. Yeah, there you go. Those are the cards. Yeah,
It's kind of cool.
yeah.
Not a sleeve.
I'm gonna be honest though. Can I be honest? Not that great of a pulls, but
Oh, no, 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 no.
It's a bad pool.
I just buy cards separately. It's just better. But this is cool though. This box is pretty cool.
I know
It's got the existing cards right here, like Obelisk the Tormentor, Slifer the Executive Producer, and Ultra Mega Chicken. If you guys know, if you guys get it, props to you. Yu-Gi-Oh! Bridged. Yeah. No, there's some cards there, which I need to check because I don't think I have them, and I need to get them because they're based on mythology. So yeah. But yeah, there's that.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
I kinda
That's it, guys.
liked it, these two. And
Oh, it's the level 3, level 5. Yeah, okay, yeah. So
you got the
now,
10.
yeah, but that's not the tender though.
Yes,
That's the normal one.
It's a white dragon.
That's the normal drag armed, yeah. But yeah, that's it. Yeah, I have that card. That one is in rare though. I have it in holographic. Haha. I have it in ultra rare, I believe. That one is rare.
And we got this guy.
Yeah, I believe that is the most
And you get
expensive one.
one with a price.
That is the most expensive one, I think. Yeah.
That's a bit harder.
Yeah, I'll need to check. I don't know because
Ash blossoms are very rare.
yeah, but the pack determines if it's rare or not. The set that it goes in determines if it's rare or not. So I don't know.
Let us see.
Yeah, and that's it, guys. Those were the cards from Martin. I also need to do
This is a
something.
mini vlog, guys. So
Yeah, mini
we're
vlog.
just enjoying the moment.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I also need to do a vlog myself of my Yu-Gi-Oh cards, which have, you know, been going in.
Yes.
It's still not completed. I need to get 2 more binders for the dragons.
It's kind of cool. We got some armed dragons. I like the archetype
Yeah.
and some fable cards.
Yeah, the Fable cards are really cool actually.
This one is really cool too.
They're based on demons. Yeah, that's the Nagini from Harry Potter.
And there's some.
We were just a snack. We were just a snack. There was this Voldemort statue with 1,000 euros from Sideshow, I believe. 1/4 scale. Voldemort with Nagini, pretty cool. But yeah, 1,000 euros. Very expensive. No. Not today. Not today, not never. Yeah, sushi. There you go, people. If you need sushi, there you go. Endless supplies of sushi. Oh my god. Yeah, that's it. That's it, guys. Oh, let me check this card actually. Oh, Star Mine. Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, people, that was it. That was a quick vlog right here in Almada Faro. We're right here in Almada Faro. Almada Faro. So yeah. So yeah, people, that's it. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you like the content,
Sponsored by
visit the
Konami.
channel, subscribe for more.
Sponsored by Konami.
And yeah, sponsored by Konami. Yu-Gi-Oh, you know, yeah. Children's card games, you know. yeah, people, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right. So yeah, that's it, and yeah, goodbye, guys. There you go.